everyone, welcome to the Fat Lady's Firearm Journey. And today we're going to be doing some target practicing. As you can see, I have several targets out here that I'm going to be doing. And my husband's going to let you know what all I'm going to be shooting. So, here we go.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you probably can't tell, but that's actually a table saw standing on end. Then we have a jug of water and some product called sea foam. And then over here, we just have two targets on some styrofoam. All right.
What did I hit?
The water.
Let's put the sea foam back up there.
All right.
I didn't hit the sea foam. I hit this and knocked that off. Try that again.
All right. Another one's gone.
That's better.
All right. We've got our own artesian well.
Let's get the next one.
And ladies and gentlemen, while she's doing that, I'll let you know that the bag that you're looking at right there is a range bag from the USCCA. You can purchase those at uscca.com. They are a very good bag. We love them. All right. We all clear?
I'm clear. All is empty.
All right. That's one thing we always make sure to do, ladies and gentlemen, is show that the weapon is clear before anyone else walks in, near, or around it. Now, let's go see how good she did. Oh, wow, you got a bullseye in the...
I did. One there.
All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
I got one there.
5.
Wasn't very happy with
7.
that one.
You hit 7. Well, you got that one too, but
Yeah.
you hit the target 7 out of 8.
7 out of 8 there.
That's darn good.
And then over here I hit, what I liked was this. Look at this baby.
Show us that guy. Holy cow.
No sea foam in that one.
Not anymore. And then, of course, here's the jug of water. You can see one right there in the middle.
Yep. Here's one. And one there.
And then one up here.
Oh, one up there and one there.
Mm-hmm.
What we got?
Oh, wow.
2, 3, 4,
5
5
or
holes,
6.
6 holes, yeah.
Wow, she did really good. at this one, ladies and gentlemen. She has several right up here.
I was hoping to catch some in there.
And then one right there kind of in the neck or chest.
Yep.
And then one, several down this way. Now, allow us a few moments and we're going to reset and I'm going to take my turn.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. And now it is the Lloyd Straight's turn, and with the Smith & Wesson M&P shotgun.
Yeah, M&P 12.
M&P 12 shotgun, yes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, just to let you know, I do have two different kinds of loads in here. I have a hollow point slug. Also have double-aught buck.
Okay. Whoa.
Yeah, it looks like I missed the target.
And it...
All right.
Whoa. Let's see if we can go put that back up.
Yeah.
That does not look like it's leaking water at all. Maybe put it back further, Lloyd. There, try that.
All right. It does look like I hit it.
Oh, yes, but it was not on the target itself.
Down here.
Yes.
Not up here.
Okay. Mosquitoes are out. Hot and heavy tonight. All right, here we go.
And once again, the safety works.
Oh, good thing to know. Whoa! Woo! You hit that water that time, boys and girls.
All right.
Woo! Confetti, anyone? Any guesses that was buckshot, huh?
Yep, those have all been slugs so far.
Woo! Oh my, yes.
All right. That's the end of that clip.
That clip is gone and done.
Or a magazine.
Oh, magazine, yes. Those don't have clips, don't they? Woo! Got that out of his way. Woo! Whoa!
All clear.
And it's clear. All right, everyone. Well, let's go see what all damage there is. Look at those holes, everyone. Look at those. Holy cow. Look at those. That was buckshot. Look at all those holes. Let's see what's on the backside. Oh yeah, there's damage. Look at all that. See what's on the other side.
Did it go through the wood?
Oh yeah. Yep. All the way through. Yep, look. There's buckshot right there, everyone. Buckshot right there. Didn't go all the way through. We got buckshot stuck in the wood. Right there. Right there. Let me get my ears off. Oh, take those off so I'm not yelling at you guys. Now, let's see if we can see what came through on this side. Oh, there's some stuff that did some damage here. There's some stuff came all the way through, Lloyd.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, look at some of this on the other side. All those was not here, those holes. So there's stuff that came all the way through. Now, everyone, I want to tell you, take the chance and tell you, all the stuff that we just shot, we're going to walk around here and look for it. And we're going to be making necklaces, keychains, and earrings out of it. And you're going to have a chance to go on and purchase the items. If you're interested, all you have to do is look us up on Instagram and Facebook. I don't know if they're going to allow us to put them on Patreon or not, but we're going to try. So look us up. Keep in touch with us. Please comment to us. We love to hear comments, but we don't get very many of you commenting. Please comment to us. We want to talk to you and say hi and all that kind of stuff. Also, I want to say welcome, and we want to say like, subscribe, follow us, share our videos to anybody that you think would love to follow us or check out our videos. We love to do this kind of stuff just to, if nothing else, give you something to laugh at. I mean, how many times can you say you watched a video of someone blowing up a skill saw or a table saw or a TV? Not very many people out there doing that, is there? If there is, let me know. I'd love to watch them do it. Write down in my subscriptions or my comments and let me know. I'll talk to you later. You guys have a blessed day. See ya.
See you, folks.